laro mo kanina.
Ayun, sabi na nga ni Kuya, maganda yung nilalaro mo so far eh. So, ano lang nagbago?
Siguro this conference, sa past 2 games, I was given more minutes than the previous conferences. And like what I said dun sa nag-interview sa akin kanina, when you have a coach who gives you an opportunity, of course you have to make most out of it. I don't take it for granted. Whenever I'm inside the court, I always make sure and I always give my best. And for me, I'm more focused on the defensive side na trying to guard yung opponent and make sure that they don't score on me. I mean, for me, bonus lang yung scoring, but it's really my defensive side kaya feel ko nabibigyan ako ng playing minutes.
Sabi ni Coach Leo na gusto ka daw niya ibalik dun sa level na kumaga pang main man nung last game niya pinsa na. Now, did he talk to you about it? About him?
Well, it doesn't. That specifically wala naman. Pero, I think just in practice, he just challenges everybody, not just me, but to really focus on the defense. And I'm just lucky enough to have guys like, I have an opportunity to guard sa practice si CJ, Don, si Marshall, si Jericho. So doon ko napapractice talaga yung defense ko. And they're known scorers, so we really push ourselves in practice and we make each other better.
Jeron, kasi dito sa San Miguel, past few conferences, hindi ganun karami playing time mo. Was there a part na may konti frustration na rin because nanggaling ka na dun sa level na main man ka with Alaska Converge, and then here, limited playing time mo. Nagkaroon na ba ng time ng frustration?
I can't say na walang frustration, but for me, as a player, I always see things as an opportunity for me to grow eh. So those times na hindi ako nagagamit, hindi sa wala akong ginawa, but that time I'm focused on, learning from my teammates. I have guys like Chris Ross, Marshall, they're winners, they're champions in this league, and I have an opportunity to be with them each day in practice. So every day I try to learn from them. I ask them questions on both offensive and defensively. So I don't see it as a wasted conferences, but I'm learning. And that didn't stop me from working hard. I always make sure I always work on my game, and I try to be the hardest worker that I can be.
What was like yung atmosphere dun sa SMB na suot niyo yung retro jerseys kanina during the game?
Syempre kanina it's to honor the players that went before us, not only for San Miguel but the PBA players who played in yung past 50 years. And we're here in this situation because of them, because they made the tournament better. And so we always honor them wherever we go, whenever we play. And to all the fans also, syempre para sa fans yung 50 years dahil tuloy-tuloy yung suporta sa PBA.
Great.